off of work, and usually I would stay home and be a lazy piece of garbage. However, today I decided we're gonna do a Target run. Yay! Also, look how cute my steering wheel is. In my car, just like everything's pink as it should be. Also, my closest Target is 12 miles away because I live in a small town. So we are driving 30 minutes for a Target. But this is what we do for Target, okay? Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a mini haul now. So we've got some Squishmallows, of course, because I am addicted and obsessed, even though I have, like, no room for them in my room anymore. Whatever, who cares? Anyways, I got Strawberry Cow. I've waited years for Strawberry Cow, and I finally found her in store. Never thought that was going to happen. Anyways, we got more Squishmallows. I got a pink and purple cow. Amazing, adorable, and Hello Kitty Valentine Squishmallow. Look at these wings. They're literally like iridescent and glittery. Like how am I not supposed to buy this? You know what I mean? We also got some makeup and nails. So I just got some basic white long nails because I don't have any and I think that they would be super cute. And then some CoverGirl, it says a lip plumper. They're like iridescent. And I didn't know which one I would like better on me, so I just got both. This is why I'm the world's worst shopper, because I'm like, should I get this one or this one? I'll just get both. So I got just some cute decorations. This one's just a glittery XO. And then some cute pink angels, like, hello, I'm obsessed. So yeah, these are gonna go in my room somewhere. Don't know where yet, but we'll figure it out. And then, of course, more Hello Kitty Valentine figures. And they had, like, a lot of them, but Senna and Hello Kitty looked the cutest. Keroppi also looked really cute, but I just went with these. So that's all I got for that. Now we have to get into the albums, which is a lot. Yeah. Okay, so for albums, I just got my vinyl player recently. I got it from my grandma for Christmas. So I was like, I only have one vinyl right now, so I have to buy more vinyls. So I saw this and I was like, perfect, amazing, put it in the bag. Awesome. So I will definitely be listening to that later. I got Strategy and, of course, exclusive extra photo card. So I am a victim to capitalism, okay? Because if an album says exclusive extra photo card, who am I to not buy it? So anyways, I got 17's new album. All 3 versions. Well, yes. Okay, and I mean, so I got the carrot version, right? And this is gonna come with a photo card album with one specific member. I hope I get Coops. If I don't, I'm burning that Target down to the ground with fire. But it's fine. It's fine. We love everyone, so it'll be fine. But, you know. Anyways, also got Rosie. I thought about getting her vinyl, but I was like, I'm not too sold on that yet. So we just got the CD. And then, of course, Her Story. I had to buy Her Story. Duh. Hello. I got my first ever Le Sserafim album. In retrospect, I should have got the Easy album, the one that was like pink and kind of glossy and glittery. Oh my god, I should have. I like saw it in Target when it was like first released. Should have gotten it, but I didn't. My first Illit album. I don't stan them. I don't really know the member's name, but it's cute. So here we are. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do the 17 albums first. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm an adult. This is what I spent my grown adult money on. It's fine. Okay, so first of all, gorgeous, beautiful, yes. Okay, you guys can't see my desk, but I don't really know how to do this. So I got Vernon. This is justice. This is justice. Let me tell you how. Okay, my first 17 album I ever got, they were like, which member do you want? And I was like, I don't know, just give me whoever. And they gave me Vernon, right? But they damaged the album, like the actual album itself. So I had to send it back. And then they were like, okay, which member do you want now? And I was like, I don't know, just send me a random one. So then they gave me Seungkwan. So I had to give up Vernon, because it was really sad. Like, the album was like really badly damaged. Like I could not live with it. So I don't have like a Vernon photo card book anymore, but now I do, and that's justice. And that's justice. Okay, so this is the photo cards for the book. Can y'all see? All right, we'll do that later. And then these are the photo cards. We got Uji. Okay. Let's see who else. I'm nervous. I'm an adult. It's fine. We're fine. Okay. Okay, DK again. When do I not get him in my albums? I swear to God. We got Joshua. Oh, hello. Well, yes. And we got Junghan. Is this the first time I've gotten him in my album? I don't know. I feel like I kind of won with this. Look at the pose. Look at the cute pose. I feel like this is a really good photo card. My spidey senses are tingling. Okay. Now the two other ones. So I don't think that one had an exclusive Target photo card. I think these ones do. Someone's sticking out. Oh my god, there's 4. There's 4. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, okay. We got... This is the greatest moment of my life. We got Mingyu. We got Mingyu. We've got Vernon again. We got double Mingyu. And Vernon. I was cut off. You guys, this is the greatest moment of my life. Those were really good pulls. Oh my god. Alright. How do I know which one is like the bonus card? Is it this one? Because it's the different coloring from the rest of them? I don't know. Okay, then we have to rip this, it's saying. Oh, stickers, fun. And then the CD. And then more stickers. Okay, so this is a poster. Okay. Poster. Also, what is this? What is going on here? It's a stamp. Not me actually being mind blown by that. Like, what? Oh my god, what? This is like when they put highlighters in their albums. Like, what the fuck was that for? But okay. We have made it to our last 17 album. This is like the original version thingy. I don't know. We already pulled my bay, so it's chill. It's chill time. We're good. Oh my god, okay, we got another Uji. We got Wanu. That might be a first. We got My Man. And then we got Dino, which I also have a really strong Dino streak. Okay, I'm gonna start kicking people. What? Because I literally bought this photo card a few days ago. Well, but I got My Man in 2 albums now. That is crazy. A win is a win. Okay, I'm gonna try to open the rest of these albums fast. So we got Rosie. Okay, let's go. Oh. Wait. Maybe this one doesn't come with a photo card. Maybe it's only the vinyls. I don't know. Okay, next up is Twice's Strategy. I hope I get a Megan photo card. If I don't, then I want a refund. Just kidding, but... Okay. Whoa. We got Momo. Yes, best day ever. She was one of my biases. Oh my god, shut up. Shut up. We got Momo again. I keep winning today. I keep winning. This is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we got Chewy. So cute. Oh my god. We got Che. She looks adorable here. We got Momo again. We got Gio with this cute little like pink megaphone. Is that what that is? Or is that a hairdryer? I think it's a hairdryer. Okay, cute. Love it. Whatever. And shut up. We got my bae, my boo, my girl, Nayeon. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my god, guys. I'm winning so hard today. It's actually crazy. What is this? Are there more photo cards? Oh my god. Are these pre-order photo cards? Because these are what the pre-order photo cards look like, right? Or are these like Target exclusive? I don't know. Hello? You know what? For how much money I spent today, I'm glad. Oh, we got Che. Oh, that's such a cute pose. Oh, I love. Okay. Okay, last but not least, we have Le Seraphim. I still feel sad I didn't get their Easy album. I should have. Like, it was literally right in front of me, and I was like, no. And then when I went back to Target today, they didn't have it. So, anyways. Okay, so we got a lot of stickers. They gave us a sing-along book, too. The CD is, like, glittery. you can't really... Hello? You can't really see it on camera, but, like, it is, I swear. I'm not lying to you. Wait, I don't know. It has, like, this, like, cool, like, texture on it. It looks really cool. Okay. These are the photo cards. I always feel like I'm pronouncing her name wrong. I think it's Kazuha. Probably not. Anyways, this is what we got. And then... Okay, so we got her... Oh, hello. Oh! Oh, that's the back of the photo card. I didn't realize... I thought this was the photo card, but that's cute. That's a really cute back. And this is the front. Okay, so this must be, like, the exclusive Target photo card. I was about to be really disappointed. I was about to be like, damn, only 2 photo cards and one of them is a group one. That's... I feel a bit scammed, but okay. They made up for it. There's another one with a creative back. Okay. Although, only 3 photo cards for this big-ass album. Hybe. Hybe, you're fucking with me. You're playing with me. I know you guys are getting lots of money. This is ridiculous. You owe us more photo cards than this. Come on. And they know it too. Next, we're going to be opening the Ille album, which is literally so adorable. Look at this. Well, yes. Hold on. I have to show you. Look how cute it is when I, like, pull it apart. Like, this looks more rose gold in person. On camera, it looks more, like, silvery. But it's really cute. So, I don't really know the members. I know Wanhee. That's about it. I think I know Yuna. Okay, so I got the album because I was like, this is cute and I want it. Okay, so don't crucify me because I don't know nobody, okay? Look how, like, adorable and cute this whole, like, packaging and album is. Like, I am actually obsessed. And look at, like, look how adorable. I love it. Like, there's other versions of this, like, same album too, just, like, different colors. But, like, this is obviously the cutest. Hello, it's pink. But, like, and also, like, look at the, like, typography. Like, that's so pretty. Anyways, here's the photo cards. I got Wanhee. I told you guys. I told y'all. So we got Wanhee again. Don't know who this is, but she's cute. Look at this. I'll learn their names after, guys. Don't kill me. But, cute. I love it. I love the styling. And, whoa. This is a really good photo card. This is so cute. Like, everyone is so pretty, so gorgeous. Love it. Hold on. Look at the backs. Like, that's so adorable. Hello? I'm obsessed. I love it. Okay. Well. Literally winning streak. And then these are the stickers. And then this is like a little postcard poster thing. It's really cute. I love, like, when they do, like, student ID stuff in K-pop. I always think it's so cute. I love this whole, like, design and concept that they did. This was, like, really pretty. Okay, you can't even see it. I was honestly most excited to unbox this one because, like I said, I don't stan these girls really. I don't know a lot about them. So going into it, I was just completely blind and I was like, this is really exciting. I don't know what I'm getting into. Also, here's the poster. See, cute. Cute. lovies, that is it for this vlog. I want to get better at posting full-length videos more often. Like, I keep going in between months, which is not great, and it like makes it harder to edit because then I have more footage that I have to like cram into one video. Like, so much has happened in my life the past few months that I wasn't even able to put in all the footage from that. So it's been a struggle, to be honest with you guys, but I'm gonna try to get better at that and try to get better at editing and all that fun groovy stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love filming and making videos, but I also hate editing. I don't know how that works, but it does somehow. But thank you for watching. Love you. Bye bye.